Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss sets, class 10, basic operations on set. In the previous video, we have seen types of sets. In this session, we are going to discuss basic operations on sets. Click this I button to learn introduction to the sets. Let us see the basic operations on set. What are the basic operations on set? Before going to our topic, so we know the binary operations. Plus, minus, into, divide. Like that only, the sets are having some operations, that is union of sets and intersection of sets, difference of sets. So what is first one? Here it is the union of sets. Is union of set? The union of two or more sets, it is the set of all the elements which is either individual or common in both. That is called union of set. If A and B are the sets, the union of the set A and B is denoted by A union B. So this one A, it is denoting like this. So we can read as A union B. We can read as A union B. Let us see one example. A equal 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal 3, 5, 6, 7. So what is the union of these two sets? So A union B equal A means first set 1, 2, 3, 4 union. B means 3, 5, 6, 7. So we can find this A union B. So all the elements which are individual, either common one we need to write all elements. So 1, 2, 3, here 3, and in this set also it is 3. So 3 is the common. Once we need to write 4, and already we written the 3, means no need to repeat. 5, 6, 7. So what we got that elements in A union B? So A union B equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the union of sets. So how to represent in Venn diagram? So this is the set A, this is set B. This is A and this is B. So this one we are taking as a mu. This rectangular one we are all universal set, that is we are taking. So in this both in common one, common region we need to write. This is the common region for A and B sets. That common element, what is the common element we can write in this. So here what is A? A equal 1, 2, 3, 4 means up to here this is A only. This total, this is the A part, means 1, 2, already it is in the part of 3 only, and 4. Next it is B is 3, 5, 6, 7. So what is the part of B? This is the part of B, means so 3 already it is the common area only we written, remaining elements 5, 6, 7. This is the representation of Venn diagram. Now one note it is note. What is the note? The set builder form of A union B. Set builder form of A union B equal X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the set builder form for A union. Next one, it is intersection of sets. What is intersection of sets? So this is the basic operations on sets. So first one, it is union of set. Now second one, that is intersection of sets. So what is intersection of set? The intersection of sets A and B is the set of those elements, all those elements which are common in both A and B. Once again repeating, the intersection of sets A and B is the set of all those elements which are common in both A and B set. It is denoted by A intersection B. A intersection B. So one example, A equal 5, 6, 7, 8. B equal 7, 8, 9, 10 I am taking. Anyone you should take. 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is A intersection B? Intersection means nothing but what are the common elements? That common elements we should write. So A intersection B equal, A means 5, 6, 7, 8, intersection 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this, both in set A and set B, in what are the common elements? 7, 8. Here also 7, 8. That are the common elements. The common elements we should write, that is intersection of that given sets. So here we got it, A intersection B equal 7 and 8. So the representation of Venn diagram. How to representing in Venn diagram? So here, this is the set A, this is the set B I am taking. A, this is B. This all one I am taking as a universal set, mu. So what are the common elements in set A and set B? So that both common elements we need to write the common region. So this is the common region, that region we need to write, means 7, 8. So set A in what are the elements? 5, 6, 7, 8, means this is the total set A. So 5 and 6. 7, 8 already we written. Next, B is here up to here. This is the common region and B this total. Means 7, 8 already it is there. 9 and 10 we need to write. So what are the common elements what we are getting? So A intersection B equal 7, 8. This is the intersection of A and B. The set builder form of A and B. Sorry, A intersection B. So set builder form of A intersection B equal X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B is the set builder for A. Difference of sets. So what are the difference of set? How we define the difference of set? Let us see. Difference of set. What are difference of sets? The difference of sets A and B is the set of the elements which belongs to A but not belongs to B is called difference of sets. Once again repeating, the difference of sets A and B is the set of all elements which belongs to A but not belongs to B is called difference of set. It is denoted by A minus B. So this is denoted by A minus B. Now let us see one example. A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A equal, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B equal 3, 5, 7, 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. Now we need to find the difference of these two sets we need to find. So A minus B equal, A means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 3, 5, 7, 9. So here first set in, what are the common elements, that one you can cut it. So here 3 is the common, 5 is the common. That elements we are cutting afterwards. What are the elements are remained, that one is difference of set. So here 1 is remained, 2 and 4. This is called difference of set. So how to represent in Venn diagram? So Venn diagram of A minus B. So this is A, this is B, this is mu. So first we can write what are the common elements, that one we write in the common section. 3, 5. So this is the set A, this is B. So 1, 2, already 3 is there, 4 and 5 is there. In set B in 3, 5 and 7, 9. So in the common, this is the total set A. Total set A in what are the common elements, that one we need to subtract. Means this total part we need to subtract from A. So this is the A, means this part we should cut. We should cancel. We are cancelling means we are getting like this figure we are getting. That is called A minus B. This is called A minus B. This is the difference of set. Now what is the set builder form? Set builder form for A minus B equal X belongs to A, X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. This is the set builder form for A minus B. So now we discussed union of set, intersection of set, difference of set. Next one it is disjoint sets. What are disjoint sets? What are disjoint sets? Consider A and B are two sets. Consider A and B are two sets. If there is no common element in both A and B sets, that is called a disjoint set. Once again repeating. Consider A and B are the two sets. Consider A and B are the two sets. If there is no common element in both A and B are called a disjoint set. So here for example A equal 1, 2, 3, B equal 6, 7, 8. So what are the here A intersection B equal, A means 1, 2, 3, intersection 6, 7, 8. So what are the common elements here? Nothing common elements. Nothing common elements means we need to write the brace, or we can write pi also. So we are getting brace or pi means this is the disjoint sets. Now representation of Venn diagram. So how to represent? This is the set A, this is the set B, A, B. So there is no common element in both A and B set. This is the mu. So in that both we are not getting the common element means here we can write A intersection B equal pi we need to write. Let us see Venn diagrams. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagrams are geometrical figures that help us to visualize the sets. Venn diagram is a way to representing the relationship between sets. These Venn diagrams consist of rectangular shapes and closed curved Usually we can take circuit examples on how to draw the Venn diagrams. So first one I am taking A union B. How to draw A union B? So how to represent Venn diagram? So this is the set A, this is the set B. So what is the meaning of union? So this is the both are closed curved circles only, closed curved figures only I took. So in the rectangular shaped box only I took here. This rectangular one I am taking as universal set, that is mu. So this is the set A, this is the B. Union means all elements in both individual either common. All elements we need to take, means we can draw like this. This is the union of sets. Second one, that is A intersection B. How to draw A intersection B? This is the set A, this is the set B. A, B, this is the universal set. So what is intersection? Intersection means we need to take common region. So what is the common region? This is the total set A, this is the total set B. In this is the common region. Means this one we can say, this is we can say the intersection point of A and B. Next, third one, that is A minus B. What is A minus B? So A minus B means, so A to B we need to subtract. From set A to B we need to subtract. So this is the set A, this is the set B. This total set A to, we need to subtract this B. So we are subtracting that B means what is remained? This area only we are getting. This is called A minus B. Next one it is, fourth one, B minus A. B minus A. This is set A, this is set B. This is A, this is B. So set B to we need to subtract A. So this is the set A. This one we need to subtract from B to. So the remaining one we are getting this one. Means this is the B minus A we are getting. That is B minus A. Now fifth one, this is some important, A subset B. A subset B. So here which set is the bigger set? B is the bigger set, A is the smaller set. Means we need to take this, we are taking as A, this one I am taking as B. This is total universal set. This is the universal set. So for example A union B. A union B means this total we need to take. So what are the elements in set A and B? Both we are getting. So both means here we are getting B set only we are getting. A union B equal we are getting as B only, set B we are getting. Same as this way. Sixth one, that is A subset B only. So here this is the set A, this is the set B. Now we need to find A intersection B. So what we are getting, A intersection B means just we are getting intersection point, common region, both in common, what is there? A only. So that one only we are getting. So here if A subset B mean, then A union B equal B we are getting. If A subset B, then A intersection B equal we are getting A we are getting. Union means bigger set we are getting. Intersection means small set we are getting. Next one it is A dash, A complement. What is A complement? Mu minus A is the A complement. So this is the set A. This is universal set. this universal set 2 we are subtracting. This is the universal set 2 we are subtracting A. So we are subtracting A means without this A we need to write this total. Means like this we are getting. This is called A dash. This is called A dash. Next one it is A union B whole complement. So this is A, this is B, whole complement means we need to take mu. So what is the formula? A union B whole complement equal mu minus A union B is the formula. So mu means universal set 2. A union B we need to subtract. So this is the total mu. This is the total mu means universal set. So universal set 2 we are subtracting this one means we are getting this is A union B whole complement. This is A union B whole complement. Next one it is A intersection B whole complement. What is the formula? Mu minus A intersection B. So here two sets you have to take. This is the set A, this is the set B. So this both set in, what is the common area? That common area only we need to subtract. So we need to subtract the common region. So this is the common region. Without this region we need to take total you have to shade. This is called A intersection B whole complement. Next one it is A union B union C. A union B union C. So A union B union C means all three sets I can take here. This is the A, set A, this is the set B, this is set C. So this is the universal set we are taking as mu. So A union B union C means all the elements having set A, B, C. All the elements we need to write. That is called A union B union C. Next one it is A intersection B intersection C. A, B, C. This is the mu you can take. That is the mu means A intersection B intersection C. So A intersection B intersection C means in these three sets in common elements we need to write. So where is the common region? This is the common region. This one we should write, that is A intersection B intersection C. Last one it is A minus B union B minus A, or A union B minus A intersection B. A union B minus A intersection B. So this is already you know the formula. What that formula? A delta B. A delta B equal A minus B union B minus A, or A union B minus A intersection B is the formula. So how to draw this one? This is the A set, this is the set B. This is universal set. So A minus B union B minus A we need to draw. So A minus B means we need to take A to B we are subtracting, means we are getting this one. Union B minus A. B minus A means B to A we are subtracting means we are getting this one. Union means we are getting these elements plus these elements. That common region one we no need to take that common region. So this is called A minus B union B minus A. We have seen what are the basic operations on set. In the next video we will see exercise problems. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.